Hello everyone and welcome to my new doll repaint video. And today guys we're going to make something fun, something new, something unusual for my channel. Because you know, a couple of months ago when I was breaking down and packing my studio to move from Belgium to Germany, I had to do something with resin in 3D printer that was already inside of the machine, because you cannot just take this resin from the pool and pour it back to the bottle with fresh resin. At least the bottle of fresh resin says that this is not the way to utilize this material. You're supposed to cure it and then throw it away as plastic. And you know, this thing is expensive, so I didn't really want to waste it. So I've decided to make something, to print something, to make something useful out of this resin. And I've 3D printed this tiny Freddie Mercury miniature figure. Because it was in the time when I just made my big Freddie Mercury doll. Don't forget to watch that video, by the way. It was a very beautiful makeover. I'm really proud of it. So I've decided to continue going with this Freddie Mercury theme, and I've 3D printed this mini Freddie. I didn't really know what to do about it. I didn't have any special plans, like any creative project regarding this mini Freddy figure. But now I think I have an idea. I think I know what I want to make out of it. And today, guys, we're going to make a lamp out of it. I think I know. I think I know how I want the end result to look like. So let's experiment today. Let's try to turn this mini 3D printed Freddie Mercury doll into some sort of a designer's lamp. So guys, let's start working, and before I begin, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button to get notified about my new doll repaint videos. I upload new doll makeovers every week Friday or every second week Friday, or just, I don't know, whenever they are finished, because often it takes a little bit longer to finish a doll than I would like it to. So, and of course, please support my art here on YouTube with your likes, and this being said, let's start working. So here is our mini Freddy, and the first thing that I'm going to do is to install some supports so he can stand up on his own. And for this I will drill holes on the bottom of his feet, and I will put pieces of wooden sticks into these holes. So like this I can place them onto a piece of a foam board, and now he's ready to be painted. Of course, now he's much easier to work on. So I think I will start with his face, and this time the face is super tiny. It's literally the size of my fingernail. And it's also sculpted less precise than the big face that I've repainted lately. So if you want to see a hyper-realistic Freddie Mercury makeover, please go watch my previous video. And this time my goal is to make him kinda recognizable. But I'm using my regular art supplies for it: Mr. Super Clear, watercolor pencils and soft pastels from the brand Pan Pastels to create his look. I covered the hair with black acrylics and I think we're done with the face. So now let's paint the rest of the body, the rest of his outfit, and first of all I will cover the entire outfit with white acrylics to create a solid white base. And then I will paint his jacket yellow. Then I'm covering the outfit with Mr. Super Clear sealant and I apply some shadows and small details to the look. And to finish it up, I add golden details. Good, the painting part is finished. I think he looks absolutely great. So now we can start working on the lamp part of the project. And look guys, I've bought this glass thing, I don't even know how to call it, what is a glass dome, something like this. And I will attach Freddie to the bottom of it. Well guys, it looks like I've messed up here a little bit. I should have attached a piece of masking tape to the surface before drilling it, because you can see that I've scratched it all with the drill. Not good. So, but I think I know how to fix it. I will attach this golden vinyl thing on top of it, because it actually looks even shinier than the original platform. I think it will solve the problem. Yes, it looks perfect. The problem is completely solved, no stress. And I will add the fairy lights and I will place them inside of this thing around of our Freddie. And I think I will use 2 of them because I want them to give more light. Let's test it, guys. Perfect. it looks very beautiful. I'm very happy. So, and this is what I've made today. This project is kind of unusual for me, but it was fun to work on, and the result looks very, very, very satisfying. It was a very sudden idea for me, and I'm really happy it all worked out perfectly, really beautiful. So you can buy this thing on eBay if you're interested. It will be there for a week. And also my Phoenix doll is unfortunately back in stock. It was never paid by the person who won the auction. I waited for a very long time, really for more than 2 months, and now I have nothing else to do but to put her back on sale. So the links to both of these dolls you can find in the description box under this video. So, and now let's discuss this doll in the comments. So guys, and that was it. That was my doll transformation of the week. It was again something very unusual, but it was really fun to make, fun to work on. So if you enjoyed this video, this whole situation, please don't forget to like this video. Of course, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button to get notified about my new doll repaint videos, and I will see you very soon, next week Friday or in 2 weeks on Friday, in a new doll makeover. Have a nice weekend. Love you guys. Bye.